Hey guys, today we're heading over to one of the hottest RC spots here in Pasig City, the Meta Motors. So if you're into RC drift, touring cars, or even FPV racing, this place has it all. Let's get inside and check it out. So let's start on the left side. Here we have the RC drift track. They just finished setting up the new layout and expect that in the coming days, this will be complete with markings and accessories for your drifting pleasure.
Hi guys, good morning. My name is Gerard. Dito tayo sa Meta Motors, dito sa Pasig. So, over here, this is our simulator for our FPV RC. So, dito po nagdadrive yung mga driver. Tapos, dun nakatingin sa screen, sa monitor. And then, yung car namin, over here, meron siyang camera. Na kung ano yung nakikita ng camera, siya rin yung nakikita nyo dito sa screen. So, the car itself, dinadrive namin dito sa truck namin dito sa labas, sa 1/7 scale na truck. Ayan po yun.
Now on the right side, you can see the touring track. Now the floor is asphalt, and then over there's a tables and chairs. But don't worry, in the coming days, they will put a lot of tables and chairs there. More tables and chairs, more fans. In this side, they will put more tables and chairs there, and they will make or add the timer screen or board over here, so you can use your transporter to record your laps.
Alright guys, I'm inviting everyone na please come and visit us here at Meta Motors. So we have RC trucks, touring, and RC trucks drifting, also the FPV truck. Ang rate namin sa FPV truck is 750 per 30 minutes. Tapos, ayun, open po kami from Monday to Sunday, from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. So, see you!